to be back finally. Happy December. The day I'm filming this is December 1st, so I'm here with my friend Allie, and we are going to do something really special for you guys, so let's get into it. So today for you guys, we are going to be doing a Cindy Lou Who hair tutorial, and if you don't know who Cindy Lou Who is, I will insert a picture. She is the little girl in How the Grinch Stole Christmas by Dr. Seuss, a real icon. So yeah, let's just get into it. Joy to the world. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna tie this. I'm just gonna tie this out of the way, and we will come back to this later. So now I'm just going to section her hair into two parts, and we're just going to braid these into braids. If you don't know how to braid, I can teach you right now. So pretty much, you're gonna split your hair into 3 sections, like so. 1, 2, 3. And you're just gonna cross one side over, and then the other side, and you're just gonna keep doing that until it is braided. Other way, Allie. I have so many friends!
I think my hair just got in my contact.
Okay, so after you have one braid, we're just gonna do the other one. After you have the 2 braided sides, you want to leave a lot of room at the ends because we're going to do something special with those, you'll see. Now we are just going to bobby pin the braids to her head because we want to leave a little circle here. So first I'm just going to take some hairspray and just spray it down. You really want to get it on there. And then you are just going to do the best that you can and hope for the best. That's what I do. Now you're gonna do it with the other side. Once both sides are braided, you want to make sure that these ends are still out because we are going to curl those bad boys. So now we're going to take the middle section. Stop! So now you're gonna take a cup about yay size and just stick it like right up against the hair, and then we are just going to this is my assistant. Thank you. So now you might need a second pair of hands to do this, which is why I have another set of hands, not a person, just hands. And so you're just gonna take it and just kind of wrap it around like so. That's good. And then taking a little hair tie, you're just gonna tie it at the top, and obviously you want to try to not see the cup, except in the back, because it's kind of hard to like not see it in the back. So you're just gonna leave it open. Just make sure you don't turn around, and then you're just gonna pin it a little bit. So what? I was just gonna say you're gonna pin it to the cup.
I'm almost positive this is exactly how they did it on the Grinch, so...
Yeah, confirmed that this is how the hairstylist from The Grinch did it. Same cup and everything. So, you really take my word for this tutorial. I know what I'm doing. Don't try this at home unless you are with another adult. Just because, you know, there's just a lot of steps and like things could get dangerous. So just be careful. And we're just gonna take some more hairspray. And then just brush it up how you want. See, this is why it's dangerous, because if you inhale hairspray, you're 10 times more likely to die. Wow. So if your cup isn't staying, an easy solution is to just wrap a hair tie around the top, because we're gonna do some things there anyway, so it's not really an issue. Moving on to the ends of our braids. We're just gonna curl those using any curling wand that you want. Once that side is curled, you're just gonna obviously do the other one. So for the last step, I'm just going to braid up this ponytail with using a pencil. Obviously, make sure your pencil matches the person's hair color. That's why I've chosen a yellow one. So, here we go. You need to stick the pencil through the cup. Styrofoam.
Styrofoam.
Okay. Oh yeah. So, make sure you have a styrofoam cup, because if you don't, you might not be able to do this as well. But I just stuck my pencil through the styrofoam, and now we're a lot better off. So, this is looking good. We're gonna hairspray this a little bit. You never want to make your client uncomfortable, so I have a method called the fan technique, and you just kind of just whisk the hairspray away. Okay, so now we're just going to curl these pieces at the top. So after you're done, you can just put any final touches that you want on it before completing the look with one more step that we'll get to. Okay, so our final step is to just make a nice little bow right at the top here. Obviously, I'm a college student, as you guys know, so if you don't have it in your budget or you don't have it lying around, I'm actually just using a red lanyard that I have, and I'm just going to tie it into a nice little bow. So really get crafty with it. So you're just gonna set it with some hairspray. So this is the final look. I'm honestly so proud of how this turned out, and I'm so happy that I could do such an amazing thing on one of my good friends at school, one of two. Yeah, so I'm just so thankful for you guys, and you know, getting into the Christmas spirit now that it's December. I just really wanted to do something that I think everyone would enjoy, and just to show how thankful I am for you. With that, go watch The Grinch, have a good time, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Thanks, bye! Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Thanks, bye!